No waving here because we got to figure out who's in the camera, who's in the view. How Nancy?
Yeah,
there we
are.
There we go.
We are.
Quit moving.
We're just not good at it. We need longer arms, I think.
There we go. I'm Mary C. Anderson, and I am here with my cohort Nancy Bergman, and we are going to run around and we are going to fish it, folks.
Yes.
We're gonna go fishing, and we are at the Whitehall Rod and Gun Club for their kids fishing contest.
It's a beautiful day. You couldn't have a better day to be out fishing.
What do you think, Nancy? Let's go fish it.
All right.
Okay, let's see if we can get her to turn all the way around. Doo 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 doo. Beautiful, beautiful pond. Look at this.
And people out there on their kayaks and different kinds of personal floating devices. Broke.
Oh no!
Oh, well, it was a nice day anyway. This is a beautiful spot here at the Whitehall Rod and Gun Club. A beautiful spot, standing place to enjoy the outdoors, and makes you glad you don't live in some place like Chicago. So are you ladies carrying all the fish?
Are we carrying all the fish?
Yeah.
No, we've got a raffle prize today.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
And what were you shooting at? Were you shooting at fish?
No, we're not shooting at anything. We're raffling this off today.
Okay. Well, you know, some people get desperate, you know. So what are you hauling in here? Ah,
Oh, there we go.
an actual fish.
Yeah, I thought it was weeds.
Good for you.
Come here, Fit. Yep, you see
Look
it?
at that.
You know, shore? You know what those are, don't you?
Oh,
that bluegill?
beautiful. Do you know what is that, a muskrat house over there? Or?
Yes.
It is.
Muskrat hut. Yep.
Okay.
He was swimming around right over here.
Oh, was he?
Yep, I'll put some water in there, okay?
She's going to take him home as a pet. He likes being in that bucket, huh? There he goes. Yeah, take him home as a pet. Is anybody catching anything?
Yeah, those kids down there, lots of trout. A 24
Really?
pound trout.
Wow.
Yes,
And are you fishing too?
a little bit, yeah. I like to fish though.
Any luck?
We got a bluegill.
Huh? Well,
Yep,
that's a start, huh?
it is a start.
And what a perfect day.
Yes.
This
yes.
is a wonderful day to be out here.
Left the husband in the field so we can go play, I guess.
Yep. Why not, huh? Nothing in the bucket here yet,
no,
huh?
Jennings let it go.
Okay. Wow, what a day. Sometimes these things are on days when it's cold and
Yeah. I
windy.
remember it being really cold one year, so
Yeah.
this is good.
This year is nice. They got a nice turnout.
That they do.
Beautiful spot. Are you catching anything?
Yeah, I caught a brown trout.
A brown trout. Well, good for you. And what are you using? Worms?
Yeah.
Good old worms. Can't beat them, can you?
Feels like weeds.
Oh, oh no. Here I was expecting something huge. Oh well. So, Lots of big fish here.
Yeah, he's got some there.
Yeah? What do you got? Oh
got
my! Look at
rainbow
that!
trout?
A big brown
Oh,
trout.
look at that!
That was the first thing I caught.
Holy
And he
cow!
caught this one. That's a big rainbow trout.
Gee whiz!
Yeah, so he's doing good.
Boy, I guess so.
He's got a beautiful brook trout.
This is the place to be, I guess.
Heck yeah.
So what did you catch him with? Worms?
No, he's using minnows.
Oh, minnows. Okay. Boy, those are huge. You gonna take them home and have them for supper?
We're gonna put them on the grill, aren't
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah,
Good for you.
rainbow trout on the grill sounds good.
Yes, it does. And they are beautiful. You can invite a whole bunch of people over with all those big fish.
we? He's got a teenage brother.
Oh, well, then he'll take care of it, won't he? What about over here? Big catch?
Oh yeah, he caught one and
I thought
He
this
caught
one
two.
right here.
Oh, you
I
did?
caught one.
Wow. What is it? Are they
A
trout?
A brook and a rainbow.
Wow. That is great. Are you going to take them home and eat them?
Yeah. I'm gonna cook them for Mother's Day.
Well, there you go. Your mom will like that, won't she? What a great day you got.
Oh yeah.
So what are you using for bait?
A worm and a hook and bobber.
That's the old-fashioned way, isn't it? And it works. I always used to get turtles.
Yeah. Them get big.
I didn't have much luck with the fish. And they also have hiking trails out here.
Salem, Dittman.
What a day. The birds are just going goofy out here. Lots of birds.
It's got a few, but they brought them up.
Oh. So you caught a big one, huh? Well, good for you.
Yeah, we're gonna go fishing in that little pond over there.
Yeah? So are you guys members here?
No, we're from Independence.
Oh,
I'm a member
yeah.
though.
Well, Independent's going to do it this
Yeah,
year
but
with the
me-
lake
They
being
said
low.
they might do theirs in
Yeah.
the fall.
Why not?
I'm a member
I don't know
though.
why they just didn't
'Cause
wait
I've
a
been
week
here
and then
last
drain the pond.
You're a member? Okay.
I've been here last year.
Yeah, a lot of excitement in Independence. Bushy's almost burns down, and
Good thing they didn't have the lake drained before that happened.
yeah.
'Cause I think they draw water.
I'm sure they do. Yeah. Let's see the back of your shirt too. That's a great big fish, isn't it? That's great. Yeah, somebody here's ready to fish, huh? Oh boy. Did he catch anything yet?
Not yet.
You guys have any luck?
No.
No? Well, you got some hot dogs though, huh?
see, Nancy, when no one's around, she hits me with a stick.
You probably deserve it.
I do not deserve to be hit with a stick.
Well, I've known her for a while.
Okay, we got to do this a little bit so we
What?
can kind of see your eyes. Now, who am I talking with? I saw you in the basement.
Yep.
Yes, I did. And
Yes.
your name is?
I'm Luke Huseman.
Okay, we got Luke here, and who else do we have?
Dewey Johnson.
And what do you guys, I know you're involved in the club at a higher level. What do you guys do? Just order people around?
That's Dewey's job.
Yeah.
He's the president.
There we go. Now, you guys are increasing in numbers and getting a lot more active, aren't you?
Yeah, we get good memberships, I guess.
And you got a huge following out here today for the fishing contest.
Yeah, I don't know how many they've had. I bet you we've had 100 kids.
Well, I know you went through 200 hot dogs because I got
Yeah.
that right from Don Torson.
Yeah, but some kids ate 6 hot dogs.
Oh, well, there you go. Well,
They're hungry
okay.
kids.
So we might have math that's a little soft, but we'll go with it. We'll go with it. Now, how long have you been doing the kids fishing contest?
This has got to be our 3rd year?
I was going to say 3 years.
I think 3 year. Yep, this is the 3rd year.
And they always grow in popularity, don't they?
Seem to, yep. Parking lot's full. So.
Every year.
And you've had a fantastic pool of donors with bikes and fishing gear, and
Yeah, the local businesses really help. Yep, they donated pretty much everything.
it's about the community, isn't it?
Yep.
And the kids have a
Yes.
good time.
And Mother
Oh, yeah.
Nature's been fair to us, too.
There
Yes,
you go.
yes.
There you go. Well, we really appreciate all the work that you guys do out here, and we'll come back in a few months. Chances are we won't be in t-shirts. We'll probably be in boots and long johns, but we're looking forward to see you this winter.
Sounds like a plan.
Gotcha.
Thank you for your hard work.
You bet.